Find Rovo across all apps in the Atlassian ecosystem by looking for the chat icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Do you need quick answers, troubleshooting, or project guidance specific to your organization? Just click and Rovo's ready to help, keeping you focused without switching tools. On the Rovo main page, you'll find 3 sections. Browser plugin allows you to use Rovo directly in your browser, providing assistance even outside of Atlassian apps. Chat keeps a history of all past conversations with Rovo, making it easy to revisit answers or follow up on suggestions. Agent offers a library of pre-built Rovo agents and the option to create custom ones, designed to assist with specific tasks and workflows. This main page will continue to evolve with Rovo, and these features are also accessible from the chat icon in any Atlassian app. In the agent library, you can star your favorite agents, making it easy to find the ones you use most frequently. When prompting Rovo, remember to provide task, context, example, persona, format, and tone. You don't always need all 6, but the clearer your prompt, the better the response. Best practice is to focus on one task at a time and include only the most relevant details. If the response isn't quite right, adjust your prompt and try again. Developing critical questioning skills is essential in the age of AI. Providing feedback to Rovo also helps improve its responses over time. Let's look at how to customize a Rovo agent to fit your team's needs. Start by duplicating the agent from the library. This creates a separate copy to modify without affecting the original. Then adjust the instructions, conversation starters, source knowledge base or project, and any actions or automations. Best practices for customizing a Rovo agent include: choose conversation starters that are relevant to your team's common questions. Be sure to select the right knowledge base or project so the agent pulls from the most relevant resources. And test any new or modified automations in a sandbox environment to ensure they work smoothly within your existing workflows. Copy a link to share the customized agent, making it easy for others to access without searching the library. To create a new Rovo agent from scratch, start by selecting Create Agent, where a step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the setup. The tutorial asks you questions to help define the agent's role and capabilities, or you can choose to input the information manually. First, you'll define what you'd like the agent to accomplish. A best practice here is to be as clear and specific as possible when defining your purpose. Next, you'll name the agent. Choose something descriptive that quickly conveys its purpose to your team, like Agile Dashboard Coach. Then you'll be asked about specific goals or knowledge. This is where you provide more context and reference relevant Confluence knowledge bases or specific Jira or JSM projects to ensure the agent has access to essential resources. The tutorial also covers specific tasks or requirements, which relate to actions in the manual form. Focus on repetitive or time-consuming tasks where the agent can add real value, like answering FAQs or providing step-by-step guidance, and specify your desired output. Choose a tone and style that aligns with your team culture. A friendly, supportive tone works well for internal support, while a more formal tone may be better for client-facing interactions. To wrap up, identify any constraints or elements to emphasize or avoid, especially sensitive topics or areas where accuracy is critical. To help prevent false responses, restrict the agent's access to trusted sources and provide clear guidelines on areas it should not address, along with the error response it should use instead. With your new custom agent ready to go, like our Agile Dashboard Coach, you're all set to empower your team with an AI teammate that knows your business and how you work.